Hi everyone and welcome to my video on self-driving car technology. Self-driving cars are one of the most exciting and rapidly developing areas of technology today. They have the potential to revolutionize the way we travel and to make our roads safer and more efficient. What is self-driving car technology? Self-driving car technology, also known as autonomous vehicle technology, is the development of vehicles that can operate without human input. Self-driving cars use a variety of sensors including cameras, radar and lidar to perceive their surroundings and navigate safely. How does self-driving car technology work? Self-driving cars rely on a complex system of software and hardware to operate. The software processes the data from the sensors to create a real-time map of the car's surroundings. The software then uses this map to plan a route and control the car's steering, acceleration and braking. Benefits of self-driving car technology. Self-driving car technology has a number of potential benefits including improved safety. Self-driving cars are less likely to cause accidents than human drivers. This is because they are not susceptible to human errors such as drunk driving, distracted driving, and fatigue. Reduced traffic congestion. Self-driving cars can communicate with each other and coordinate their movements to reduce traffic congestion. Increase productivity. Self-driving cars will allow people to work or relax while they travel. This will free up time that is currently spent driving. Improve accessibility. Self-driving cars will make transportation more accessible for people with disabilities and the elderly. Challenges of self-driving car technology. There are a number of challenges that still need to be addressed before self-driving cars can become widely deployed. These challenges include developing reliable software. The software that controls self-driving cars is extremely complex and need to be extremely reliable, ensuring safety in all conditions. Self-driving cars need to be operated safely in all weather conditions and road conditions. Addressing ethical concerns. There are a number of ethical concerns surrounding self-driving cars, such as how they should be programmed to make decisions in life or death situations. Conclusion. Self-driving car technology is still in its early stages of development, but it has the potential to revolutionize the way we travel. Self-driving cars could make our roads safer and more efficient and could make transportation more accessible for everyone. I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe our channel for more informative videos on artificial intelligence and technology.